ingredients. Okay. Good morning, Rohita. I had some other class, so I was joining little late. Sorry about that. Okay. So now let's start Kids Anthem. Okay, just give me a minute and then we're going to start. Okay, give me a second. Let me ask, Liz, has anybody not got prepared or have not come ready with for the sandwich activity? Raise your hand. Okay, no problem, Pranita. Anybody who has not got ready? I think, okay, if you have not got it, no problem. Karthikeyan, yes, Karthikeyan. You were absent yesterday. Yes, no problem. You were absent yesterday, Karthikeyan. That's why. What happened? Why were you absent yesterday? Why were you absent yesterday?
Fever, ma'am.
You had fever. Now are you okay?
Okay.
Are you fine now?
Okay, ma'am.
You're fine. Okay. Okay, let's start Kids Anthem. Come on, sit straight, everyone. Have your hands on your chest. I want all of you to close your eyes, sit properly, have your hands on your chest and close your eyes. Okay, today I want Karthikeyan to unmute and say Kids Anthem along with me. Okay, so every day one of them are going to say Kids Anthem with me. Today it's Karthikeyan. Okay? Yes, Karthikeyan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Farnas. How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. We're going to start Kids Anthem. Please join us now.
Hey, good morning, madam. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Aiden. Okay. Come on, Karthikeyan, please.
Sorry for coming late.
Sorry, my coming late.
Okay, no problem, Aiden. From tomorrow, let's try to join early. Okay, no problem, Aiden. Okay, come.
Ma'am, I don't know touch it. Ma'am, I don't know touch it.
You don't have to, no problem. We don't have need ketchup. It's okay. Okay, Rohita. Okay, Karthikeyan, you're going to listen to me and repeat after me, Karthikeyan. Okay? Okay, please, can you please everyone stay on rather than Karthikeyan and myself? Yes, thank you. Kids Anthem.
Kids Anthem.
You are within me.
You are infinite.
You are infinite.
You are infinite.
You are unique.
You are unique.
My potential inside. My potential inside. You are the wind.
Are the wind.
Beneath my flight.
Beneath my flight.
You define me.
You define me.
My potential inside.
My potential inside.
Today I pledge
Today I bet
with all my might.
my life.
I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Thank you, Karthikeyan. Okay. So ready for the warm up?
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Karthikeyan. Okay, ready for the warm up? Today we are going to do, you know what, Ram? Baby shark. Ready for the baby shark dance? Yes? Okay. I know many of you like that, so we'll do baby shark.
Ping pong.
do 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 do. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark do 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 do. Daddy shark.
Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark.
Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark do 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 do. Grandpa shark. Let's go hunt do 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 do. Let's go hunt do 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 do. Let's go hunt do 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 do. Let's go hunt. Run away do 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 do. Run away do 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 do. Run away do 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 do. Run away.
Safe at last do 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 do. Safe at last do 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 do. Safe at last do 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 do. Safe at last.
It's the end do 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 do. It's the end do 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 do. It's the end do 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 do. It's the end.
Okay. Did you enjoy? Yes. Okay. Maybe at the end, if you remind me, I'll play this. Come on. Okay. Now let's start with attendance. Okay. So today I want all of you to say, here I am. Okay. And let's change something to. Okay. So what we're going to do today is, you're going to just say, here I am. Okay, when I call out your name and the person is not in the class, you're going to say, what do you say? The mouse is not present today. Okay, ready? Let's know our friends now. Aiden?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Devarakshita? What you should say? The mouse is absent today. Okay?
The mouse is absent today.
Yeah, the mouse is absent today. Good, Prajesh. Okay. Devkrish? Devkrish is not here. So what you should say?
Absent to see.
Absent today. The mouse is absent today. Okay. Danvin?
Here is the man.
Okay. Dikshan?
The mouse is absent today. House
The mouse is absent today? Oh my God. Thank you for helping. Dhruv? Dhruv?
Here I am.
Okay. Farnas?
Here I am, ma'am.
Okay. Hashini?
Here I am, ma'am.
Iron? Okay. Janavi? Aiden, please put your mic on mute, Aiden.
Here I am, ma'am.
Thank you, Janavi. Aiden, can you please stay on mute?
You don't.
Karthikeyan. Thank you. Karthikeyan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Okay. Kaviyarini.
Here I am, ma'am.
Okay. Naitik.
Here I am, ma'am.
Neha.
Say here I am.
Here I am, ma'am.
Okay. And Neha, what did we tell yesterday? Did you eat your breakfast today?
Say yes.
Yes.
Wow. Did you eat the same menu you told me yesterday? What did you eat?
Idli sambar.
The one you told me yesterday, a big star for Neha. Every day you tell me you eat a breakfast. I'll give you.
Two.
So, and
Apple.
Apple too.
very good. You had apple too. Okay. Today I'm giving you the silver star. And tomorrow, if you tell me again I ate my breakfast, I'll give you different color stars. Okay? Good, Neha. Nitila.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Nitila.
The mouse is absent today.
Thank you. The mouse is absent today. Okay. Nukshita.
Yes.
No, the mouse is present today. No, the mouse is present. Yeah, Nukshita. Prajesh.
Here I am, ma'am.
Okay,
I
Brajesh.
am Radha, ma'am.
Okay, Brajesh. Pranita. 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 I saw you, Pranita.
Here I am, ma'am.
Okay. Rohita.
Here I am, Rohita.
Okay. Good, Rohita. Satvika.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Sailesh. Sailesh.
Today.
The mouse is, yeah.
Mouse is
Okay.
today.
Yes. Thank you. The mouse is absent today. Okay. Siddharth. The mouse is absent. Present. The mouse is present today. The mouse is present today.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Tejas.
The mouse is absent today.
Yeah, the mouse is absent today.
Today.
Yes. Okay, Zaidi. Very good. Tarnika.
Here I am.
Okay. Vishank.
Hey. Excuse me, ma'am. I know
Vishank.
don't know.
Here I am.
I don't know. Here I am.
Okay. Vivan.
Mouse. I don't know mouse.
You don't know what is mouse?
Yes, ma'am. She is getting confused, ma'am. Why they are telling mouse is absent at present?
Just we are playing a game. That's it, Janavi. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Radha,
Yeah. Okay. Vivan. Okay. Very good. Vihan is present. What about Vivan? Vivan Sudarsanam. Vivan is, come on, Vivan is absent. Vivan is absent. So what did you say?
The mouse is absent, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Zedi. Zedi.
Mouse is
Present.
present.
Today, okay. Thank you, everyone. So that was great fun. Now, very good. So now what we're going to do, we're going to revise the cereals. We are going to revise the vegetables, do a worksheet, and then only we're going to do the sandwich activity. So I don't want you to take now, mess everything down. Okay. We will do it at the end. We are going to write the worksheet. We are going to do the letter, cursive letter, and then only we are going to take the sandwich. So please keep the sandwich aside, activity, whatever you have got. Those who have not got it, never mind, you can do with ma'am. Okay? Yes? Okay, so first let me start showing you the pictures, then we'll start the worksheet. Give me a second. Anybody has any questions? If not, I want all of it to please stay on mute. Anybody has questions, you can unmute and ask me. Okay? Okay, I got it. So I'm going to share the screen. We are going to revise what did we learn about plants. We are going to revise more on the vegetables, and then we're going to do the worksheet. So I don't want to take the worksheet now. Okay? Okay, so first we are going to start with as a plant as a whole. So when we have plants, we read about the parts of the plants. So can quickly somebody tell me what are the parts of the plants? Tarnika.
Flower,
Fruit.
leaf,
Mm.
stem,
Very good, Tarnika. Big rocket clap for Tarnika. Shh. And shh. Yes. When we see about the parts of the plant, we have flowers, fruits, vegetables, stem, leaf, and roots. So when we take the plant as a whole, we eat all the parts of the plant. We eat fruits. Sometimes we eat flowers of the plant. We eat stems of the plant. we eat leaves of the plant, we also eat roots of the plant. Okay, we eat all the parts of the plant. Like everybody, I'm going to say with me. Open your mouth and say with me. We will eat flower, vegetable, fruit, leaf, stem, and roots. All the parts of the plant we will eat. Okay. So when we talk about root, as we already saw, beetroot, carrot, radish, onion, radish, all these, turnip, all these grow under the soil. So when you want to eat a carrot or a beetroot, you have to pluck the plant and you have to take the root. So carrot will be under the soil. Are you following me? So when you want to eat a carrot or a beetroot, the vegetable will not be outside the plant. It will be under the soil. So you are going to pluck it and eat the root of the plant. So carrot, beetroot, turnip, radish, onion, all these are roots of the plant. Who is raising the hand? Yes, Siddharth.
Tomato, ma'am.
Tomato is not a root.
Potato, ma'am.
Potato, why I didn't say? Because it is a stem of a plant. It is not a root. That's why I didn't say. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank
So-
you, ma'am.
You're welcome, Siddharth. Thanks for sharing that. Okay? So these are roots of the plant. The next goes leaves. So we also eat the leaves of the plant like spinach, coriander, mint, tulasi, fenugreek. All these are leaves of the plant. Mint. So we also eat leaves of plants. When you say in Tamil, you say keerai, right? All the leaves of the plants we eat. Next, fruits. All these fruits we eat. Raspberry, strawberry, watermelon, peach, pear, apple, orange, muskmelon, sweet lime, many fruits, banana, all fruits. We eat the fruits from the plant. Flower, we eat some flowers of the plant. You know, cauliflower, broccoli, artichoke, whatever given here, leave these two. Okay, don't read these two. Just read all these three things which we know. These are flowers of a plant. We also eat some flowers of the plant. Okay, what happens when you talk about lady's finger? You know what happens in lady's finger? Lady's finger. You know what is lady's finger, children? You know, everybody know what is lady's finger? Yes. The lady's finger, the flower comes. From the flower, the lady's finger grows. So we get the lady's finger vegetable from the flower. Okay. So we can say the lady's finger flower is grown as a vegetable and we eat the lady's finger. Likewise, brinjal. How does brinjal come? From the flower, it grows and becomes a vegetable as a brinjal. Okay. So now getting back to here. Vishank, are you listening here, Vishank? Potato is the stem of a plant. If you see here, children, the potato plant, it has down, it grows in the underground, but it is the stem. Below the potato, you will have roots. So potato is not a root of a plant, it is a stem. Okay, potato we eat, no, that is a stem of the plant, though it is an underground vegetable. Okay, Siddharth, are you clear now? Potato, carrot, beetroot, all grows underground.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but potato we say as not a root, but stem of the plant. Okay. Quickly, I'll just show you a PPT here. Leafy vegetables, all the leaves, like mint. We call it as pudina, right? Mint, spinach, coriander. Okay, let me call one by one. Aiden, can you say mint? Aiden, mint. Okay. Dhanvin. M. Mint. Thank you, Aiden. Dhanvin. Spinach. Yes. P. Mm. 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 Spinach. Good. Dhruv. Coriander. C. Mm. 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 D. D. Mm. 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 Coriander. Farnas.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this? Lettuce.
L-E-T-T-U-C-E.
What is this lettuce?
Lettuce.
Yeah, lettuce. You can say lettuce. Okay. Farnas, what is this lettuce, Farnas? Is it a X? What is that? It is a what vegetable?
Exotic vegetable.
Ah, very good. A rocket clap. Yes, it's an exotic vegetable. Good. Hashini. Fenugreek.
Fenugreek.
Okay.
F-E-N-U-G-R-E-E-K.
Fenugreek.
Fenugreek.
Okay. Iron. Curry leaves. C. U. R. Y. Curry leaves. L. Curry leaves. Iron, do you eat curry leaves? Yes. Very good. That's very good for health. You should all eat curry leaves. When you have these leaves in your food, you should not take it out and keep it aside. That's very, very good for your health. So please eat curry leaves. Okay. Okay. So what are the leaves? All the green leaves, all the leafy vegetables are very, very good for your health and your eyes. So please eat the green leaves. Don't say no, I don't like green vegetables. Okay, especially the leafy vegetables. Okay, so quick recap: mint, spinach, coriander, lettuce, fenugreek, and curry leaves. So these are all leaf vegetables. So we eat the leaves of the plant. Next, underground vegetables. The vegetables which grow under the ground. Carrot. See, if you see this picture, carrot will be under the ground. So you have to pluck the carrot and wash it and eat it. Okay, carrot. Let me call Karthikeyan. Sorry, Janavi. Janavi. Underground vegetables. Please say underground vegetables.
Underground vegetable.
Carrot. Read the spelling. C.
C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot.
Okay, Karthikeyan.
Beetroot, ma'am.
Spelling. B.
B-E-E-T-R-O-O-T. Beetroot.
Very good. Kaviyarini. Onion. O.
Onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion.
Onion. Okay. Naitik.
Potato.
P.
P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato.
Papa potato. Good. Neha. Ginger.
Ginger.
Okay.
And it
Okay,
says
Neha, I have a doubt, Neha. What is the sound of G, Neha?
G sound.
The.
Okay, but why are we saying it? Why are we saying? Sorry. Why are we saying this as J sound? It should be ginger, right? Ginger, gorilla. Why are we saying this as ginger? Because when we have vowels A, E, I, O, U after G, somebody is raising the hand. Want to say? Yes, Siddharth, tell me.
Vowels, ma'am.
Yes, when we have vowels next to these letters like C and G, the sound changes from G to J. So it is not ginger. Thank you, Siddharth. It is ginger. Neha, are you following me? Because sound of G is what? G, right? So we should say ginger. Why are we not saying it as ginger? We are saying it as ginger. Why? After G, we have the vowel I. A, E, I, O, U. We have the vowel I. So the sound of G changes to J.
J.
Okay, so it is ginger and not ginger. Okay, all of you following me what I said right now? Anybody didn't understand what I said now? When we have vowel like A, E, I, O, U, sometimes the sound of G is not G, it is J, as in ginger. Okay, can you read the spelling now, Neha? Ginger. G. Neha.
Say spelling. Say spelling.
E,
Mm.
I,
Mm.
N,
Mm.
E,
Mm.
E,
Mm.
R.
Ginger.
Ginger.
Okay. Next, Nitla is absent. Nukshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Radish.
Radish.
R.
R-A-D-I-S. Radish.
R-A-D-I-S only. After yes.
Yes. H.
H. R-A-D-I-S-H. Radish. Okay. Rajesh.
Yes, ma'am.
God family.
God family.
Rich God. Rich God. Okay. Can you read the spelling R?
R-I-D.
D. Mm. G. E.
G-E-G-O.
From the beginning. Prajesh, from the beginning. R. Mm. Mm. G. G. Rich God. G. O. D. Okay, rich God. You know why these vegetables are called God family? Because they have lot of water content inside. If you eat these vegetables, you will feel fresh and healthy. So these are called God family, rich God. Next, Pranita, bitter God.
Bitter God.
Read the spelling, Pranita. B.
D.
Mm,
I.
mm,
D. T.
mm,
E.
mm,
R. D.
mm,
O.
mm,
U. R. D.
mm.
K.
No, that's not it. Bitter God.
Bitter God.
Okay. Rohita. Snake God. Snake God. Rohita. Satvika.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read Snake God.
Snake God.
S.
Yes.
Mm,
N. A. K.
mm,
E.
Snake.
O.
Mm.
U. R. D.
Snake God.
Snake God.
Okay. Siddharth. You remember? I told you it looks like a bottle. What is this?
Bottle gourd.
Yeah, remember when we read last week, or I think the previous week, when we read this god family, I told you it looks like a bottle. So remember the name as bottle god.
Bottle gourd.
Read the spelling. B.
B-O-D-E
Mm, mm,
L-E
mm, mm,
G-O-U-R-D.
mm.
Bottle gourd.
Okay. Tarnika.
Kiwi gourd.
Kiwi gourd. Mm.
I-B-Y-G-O-U-R-D.
Mm.
Kiwi gourd.
Very good. Vishank. Point.
Gourd.
Yes. Vishank pointed. Mm.
P-O-N-T-E-D-G-O-U-R-D. Pointed gourd.
Thank you. Vishank.
Beans family.
Beans family.
F R E N C
Sorry.
F R E N C H.
French.
French
Beans.
beans.
B.
B E A N S.
Beans.
French beans.
Okay, Vishank, you remember what I told about this beans family? When you open this beans family, what will be there? Remember what I told you about this beans family? When you open this beans, when you cut and open this, you will have small seeds like this inside. Remember, Vishank?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
other day I showed you French beans. Okay. Ready. Cluster beans.
Cluster beans.
Hmm.
Cluster beans.
Hmm.
C E L
L.
U S T E
Hmm.
R
Cluster.
cluster beans.
Read the spelling for beans, Daddy. B.
E E A N S.
Cluster beans.
Beans.
Vihan. Vihan. Lima beans.
చెప్పు
Lima beans.
స్పెల్లింగ్ చదువు
L.
L
Limabeans.
లీమా బీన్స్
Very good. Lima beans. Thank you. So this is kidney beans. We saw yesterday, no? Then fruits. We all know the fruits. Okay. So now can we all do the worksheet? Please take out your worksheet. SR D47 CT worksheet. I'll share the worksheet now. It's SR D47. Yes. Hi, Devkrish. No problem. Yes, Devkrish. Welcome back, Devkrish. Rohita, I was not able to hear you, Rohita. I was calling your name for the chance. Why you didn't say, Rohita?
Answer. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I was calling your name for reading. You didn't respond. Why?
Yes.
Why?
Yes, why?
నేను కాల్ చేసినప్పుడు ఎందుకు ఆన్సర్ చేయాలా?
I didn't hear you.
She don't hear and ma'am.
Oh, I was shouting.
I don't hear you
Okay.
antuన్నా.
No problems. Okay, Rohita, never mind. Okay, Rohita, we were just reading this. Can you just read out the fruits here, Rohita? Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Rohita. Can you tell me what? Oops. Can you tell me what fruit is this, Rohita?
Kiwi.
Kiwi. This one.
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate. This one.
Crystal apple.
Very good. Thank you. Dev Krish.
మీ ఫేవరెట్ ఫ్రూట్స్ అన్ని
This
వచ్చినాయి
one.
కదా.
Sweet lime. See, it's orange in color. It is not yellow in color. Okay, it's called sweet lime. Satukudi. Sweet lime. Okay. This one.
Onion.
Look closely. Stop. Read the spelling. You know the spelling, right? F-I-G. Try it. F-I-G. F-I-G. Fig. This one. Dev Krish. L-I-T.
Read the spelling.
Try. Lychee. Cherry. Muskmelon. Peach. Pear. Papaya. Thank you, Devkrish. So have you all taken your worksheet? Please write your name. Mark today's date as 24 dot. Today's date is 2/4/24. Okay, 24.8.21. 24.8.21. So we are going to classify which part of the plant we are eating. Okay, let's get started. The first one, turnip. Turnip. It's called nool called turnip. So turnip is a fruit. Let me ask Vihan. Turnip is a fruit.
Turnip.
Turnip is a fruit.
Roots.
It is not a fruit. It is a root. Root. Turnip, carrot.
చెప్పమ్మా సరే ఇదో
Can you say root?
చెప్పు రూట్ అని చెప్పు
Root. Okay. Okay. Zedi.
Yes, ma'am.
The next one, spinach. This one, spinach. What part of the plant is it? Is it fruit, leaf, stem? What part of the plant? Spinach. Leaf. So please join leaves here. Spinach is a leaf part of the plant. Here we have fruits, root, stem, leaves, seeds. Instead of vegetable, we have flowers because from flowers we get the vegetable. Okay, when the flowers bloom, and after that, some flowers like you can say broccoli, cauliflower, and all flowers. Whereas if you take lady's finger, other vegetables come from the flower. Okay, so next one, lettuce. What is lettuce? Tarnika.
Lettuce leaves.
Leaves. Okay. Good. Vishank.
Yes, ma'am.
Lady's finger is a fruit.
No.
Lady's finger is a stem.
No.
Lady's finger is a leaf.
No.
Lady's finger is a seed.
No.
Lady's finger is what else we have? Flower.
Yes.
Yes, from the flower of the plant, lady's finger plant, from the flower you will get the lady's finger. So lady's finger comes from the flower of a plant. Okay, so we'll mark lady's finger as flower. If vegetable is given, then we will mark straight as vegetable. As we don't have vegetable, from the flower only we will get the vegetable. Okay, so we mark lady's finger as flower of the plant here. Okay, lady's finger is a vegetable, but we get it from the flower of a plant. So we mark that two flowers. Followed me, Vishak? Understood? Okay. Siddharth, kidney bean. Is it a fruit?
Listen to me.
Kidney bean is a fruit.
No.
Root,
No.
stem.
No.
Stem will be like stick. Is it a stem? Kidney bean is a stem.
No.
Leaves,
No.
flower,
No.
seed.
Yes.
Yes, when we open that vegetable, we have the seed inside. So all the pulses are seeds of the vegetable. So kidney bean is a seed. Next we have Satvika.
Yes, ma'am.
Broccoli. What did we read? Broccoli is
Vegetable.
vegetable. So
Vegetable.
we'll mark it under flower. Okay. We read now cauliflower, broccoli are flowers of a plant. Okay, so we mark broccoli as flowers. Next we have Rohita.
Yes, ma'am.
Rohita, what is cucumber, Rohita? Is it a fruit?
Cucumber.
Cucumber.
Is it fruit?
Vegetable.
Vegetable. So we'll mark it under flowers of a plant. Flower.
Market.
From the flower, we get the vegetable. Flower of a plant. Next, Pranita. What is carrot, Pranita? Is it a fruit, Pranita? Carrot is a fruit.
No, ma'am.
What it is? Stem.
No.
What is it? Carrot, beetroot, radish, turnip, all goes under the ground. So what it is?
Seed.
Is it a seed?
No.
Seed na kutti kuttiya veda mari irukum. Carrot is growing under the ground. So what it is? Root. What is carrot?
Root.
Root of a plant. Prajesh.
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
potato? What did I say? Potato. Potato.
Stem.
Very good. Yes, we saw here, right? Potato is the stem of a plant. Very good, Prajesh.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, dear. It's a stem. Potato is a stem. Next, Nukshita. Kiwi. Nukshita, kiwi. What is it? Fruit, vegetable, seed, leaf, kiwi.
Fruit.
Fruit. Kiwi is a fruit of a plant. Please join it to fruit. Neha. Apple.
சொல்லு.
Apple fruit.
Fruit. Very good. Apple is a fruit. Naitik.
Nugget.
What about chickpeas?
Seed.
Seed. Why seed, Naitik? Why it is seed?
Small.
Remember, we open a plant and the seed was inside the vegetable. Sorry, we opened the vegetable and the seed was inside. See, look here. See here.
നോക്ക് ഉള്ളിലുള്ളതാ.
If you open the vegetable, you have the seed inside. So these are all pulses. They form the seed of the plant. That's why kidney bean is a seed of the plant. Okay, seed. Have you all done with the marking? Yes? No? Done? Anybody not clear what we should do? Why is everybody raising their hand? You're done? Very good. Okay. Good, Neha. Everybody. Good. So now what we'll do, we'll quickly write. Good, Hashini. We're going to write the letter R. We're going to write R today. Okay. Before that, shall we do a small activity and then we'll write R and quickly we'll do the sandwich. Okay. Sandwich is waiting for us. Okay. So what game we'll play? Shall we play the hide and seek game? I want all of you to do it very fast. Then only we can do. Ready? Okay. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3 and I want all of you to go and hide. Let me find if I have my whistle here. Ready? 1, 2, and for those who joined us who don't know, when I say hide, I want all of you to go and hide. Okay? I had a whistle. If I get it, I'll blow the whistle. If I not, I shout seek. I want all of you to come back. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Hide. Please go and hide. Hide. Please go and hide. I don't want to see anybody here. Hide. I don't find my whistle today. Seek. Seek. Okay. I see many of you hiding under the table. Oh my God. Okay. Good children. Come back. Seek. Come. Okay. Visham. Nukshita. Very good, Vihan. You understood. Okay. Naitik. Nukshita. Vishank. Still hiding. Okay. Came back. Okay. So now what we're going to do, we're going to please grab your slate. We're going to write the letter R today. Okay. Before we start, let me ask Kavyani, can you give me some words with R, Kavyani? R. Rrr.
Rat.
Rat. Okay. Kartikeyan.
R for rat, Radha ma'am.
Okay. Janavi.
R for rabbit, ma'am.
R for rabbit. Okay. R for
R
rat.
for rabbit, ma'am.
Radish.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Radish. Okay. Janavi.
R for rain. 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 R for rain.
Okay. Zedi, now it's not your chance. Your chance is over for the other activity, right? Others should get a chance. Okay. Janavi, are you there? No, I can't see Janavi. Okay. Irene, give me some words with R, Irene.
Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Something else?
சொல்லு
Louder.
போய் சொல்லு rabbit.
Radish.
Rabbit. Okay. Rabbit, radish, rat. Then what is sound of R?
Ring.
Ring. Okay.
Ring.
Ashini.
Red.
Red. Very good.
Radha ma'am.
Radha ma'am. Thank you. Rohita. Farnas.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, rainbow. Ma'am. Rainbow.
Rainbow, Farnas. Very good. Okay. Dhruv. R for R. Look at the picture. Dhruv.
R for bow.
Rainbow. Something else?
Something else. Rohit.
Okay. Done with.
Robo. Radha ma'am.
Robot, rhinoceros. Okay. Aiden. Aiden.
Run.
Run, rabbit, ring. They,
Mailalo.
What is sound? Rain. What is sound of R? Aiden. Very good. Very good. A rocket clap. Okay. Devkvish. Give me some words with R. Robo. That's it. Robo. Okay. R for rain, rat, rabbit, rose, ring, rainbow, rhinoceros, Radha, Rohita. Anything else? Anybody wants to add on? Yes, Tarnika.
Rainbow. Rich cat.
Rich card. Okay. Yes, Siddharth.
Road, ma'am.
Road. Yes.
He's calling rope.
Rocket, ma'am.
Rocket. Rope. Rocket. Road. Then
Station. Road. Road.
okay. Anything else? Sarika, tell me. What do you want to say? Railway station. That's what you're saying? Can you unmute and tell me that?
Railway station.
Railway station. Very good. So now we'll write R. Can we write the normal capital R or small? Read. Okay. Good. Very good, Asini. So now we are going to write the cursive R. Okay. So now can you all please write the normal capital R and small r? Now please write capital R and small r. You're going to show me. I'm not going to write. Let's see. Done, everyone. Quickly. Okay.
Ma'am, Pranita.
Pranita finished? Give me a second. Very good. Capital R and small r. Okay. Yes. Now we are going to write the cursive. Give me a second. Let me go. Why is everybody unmuting it? If you want to say something, you can raise your hand and say, please don't unmute. Then others cannot hear my voice. It will be very noisy. The class will become very noisy. So how do we write capital R? As we wrote P. Okay. 1, standing line, backward bend, go up. Write the capital P of cursive. How do we write capital P in cursive? Same way. Please write capital P and then put a slanting line down. That makes capital R. Cursive R. Rrr. It's very simple, right? If you know P, this is very simple. This is R, cursive capital R. Okay, let me check. Give me a minute. I'm just opening the sandwich file. Have you all written? Yes, I can see Hashni, good. Danven, good. Tarnika, Naitik, Rohita, Neha. Good. You wrote the small one too? Okay. Yes, Satvika. Yes, Dhruv. Good. So this is capital R. Good, Prajesh. But I'm not able to see you. Give me a minute. I can see your name. Okay. So now we are going to write small r. Okay. How do you write small r? Good.
Madam.
Everybody wrote yeah, nice, Vihan. Capital R. How do you? We'll write one more time together, Vihan. One. Put a standing line. One. From the red line to the second blue line, you will have 4 lines here. Red line, first blue line, second blue line, and the bottom red line. From the first red line to the second blue line, write 1 standing line. Then a backward bend. Done? If you're done, show me thumbs up. I'll move to the next step. Yes. Then go up, touch the red line. Go up, touch the red line. Then bend like this. I think he wants to do by himself. Let him do. Yes, come on, Vihan. A curve like this. Good, Nokshita. Did you finish like till here? Yes, now a slanting line. That's it. Yes, now a slanting line. Slanting line. Slanting line. This makes capital R. Very good, Zadie. Now we are going to write small r. Okay, it's little tricky. Okay, slanting line. Slanting line. Please start. Some of you have already written. Very good. Some of you, those who have not started writing, please write with me. Slanting line within the blue line. A backward bend. Yes, very nice, Vihan. Now we'll write small r. Come on. Slanting line, touch the blue line. A backward bend. And then a small sleeping line. I'll write a step by step. Slanting line. And then a small backward bend. Then a sleeping line. First slanting line. Then a small backward bend. Then bring that and put a sleeping line. Good, very good, Dhruv. I can see that. Small sleeping line. Now, 1 and put a small curve. This makes small r. I repeat, slanting line, backward bend, then backward bend a sleeping line. Pranita, did you finish writing R, capital R and small r? Okay, small r I can't see, Pranita. The capital one I can see. Just move your slate little.
Good. Pranita not write smaller, ma'am.
That's what I'm asking her to write. Yes, Devkrish and Danven I can see. Rohita, good Rohita. Yes, Zadie, very good Zadie. Yes, Siddharth, I can see your notebook. Good. Karthikeyan. Satvika. Hashini, you want my help, Hashini? We'll write together. Okay, we'll write together. Come on, Hashini. First, slanting line. Satvika finished writing R. Good. And then backward bend. We'll do backward bend no, for all the letters. Same way, backward bend. Then a sleeping line. Then 1. Then a small curve. That's it. You have written B, L, big letters you have written. Wow, that's perfect. Yes. slanting line, small curve, sleeping line, one, and then very good, Hashni. Good. So those who have finished writing R, capital R and small r, keep your slates. If you want, please go wash your hands and come. As you touch chalk piece, we're going to make the sandwich. I have water nearby, so I'm going to just wash my hands here. You can just go wash your hands and come. Yes, Prajesh, you finished writing or?
Ma'am.
Good. Yes, Pranita. Yes. Good.
Ma'am, printer not happy.
Why? What happened? Good, Tarnika. What happened, Pranita? Good.
Because grandpa not buy.
Bread. No problem. Pranita, I will give my sandwich to you. Okay? Good, Aiden. Nice. Hashni is ready. Good, Hashni. Okay. So you don't need ketchup. I don't recommend ketchup because it is not good for health. You can use the vegetable or you can use pepper if you want. Okay? So I have got ketchup, but I'm not going to use that in my sandwich. Okay? So what is the first step in making sandwich? First, we need to take 2 slices of bread.
Cucumber, ma'am.
Okay, I have good cucumber. Okay, I have also got cucumber. Okay, so first what I'm going to do is, let's learn some words, children. Okay, when we remove the skin of the vegetable like cucumber, it's called peel. When we do it with knife, it is called cut or chop. When we do it with, you don't have to take anything. Please don't take anything. You're going to listen to me. Okay, please don't get any chopper. Please don't get any knife. Please don't get any scissors. Okay, just keep your vegetables and the bread alone. It's ma'am who's showing you. When you just take the skin out of the vegetables or a fruit, then it is called peel. Peel the skin. What it is called? Devkrish? Peel the skin. So what a ma'am is doing? Ma'am is peeling the, yeah, I'm peeling the skin of the cucumber. What am I doing? Peeling the skin of a cucumber. So now first ma'am is peeling the skin of a cucumber. What is this called? Peel. Peel the skin. You don't need cucumber. Okay? I'm just showing you. Peel the, this is called peeling the skin of the cucumber. Okay, if I peel the skin of apple, I peel the skin of an apple. So this is called peeling the skin. Okay, so now I have peeled the skin of the cucumber. Now the cucumber is looking white. Previously the cucumber was green. After I peeled the skin of the cucumber, now it's white. Now what ma'am is going to do? Ma'am is going to cut. Okay, now I'm going to cut into 2 pieces. When I make it cut into small, then it is called slices. What is that called? Slices. Okay, so we learned 3 words: peel, cut, slices. Okay, so now I have got 2 slices of cucumber. What I have got, Hashini? Slices.
Slices.
Okay, so now I've got 2 slices of cucumber. I have got, let me show you my plate. I have got pepper, 2 slices of tomato, 2 slices of cucumber, a spoon, and ketchup. But I'm not going to use that ketchup. It is not good for health. Okay? And then I've got 2 slices of bread, as you have all got. So to make sandwich, we are going to first take the bread. What are we going to do? Can you all take out your breads? Yes, please take out your breads. 2 slices we need for making a sandwich. So we are going to take, yes, 2 slices of bread. Okay. If we have butter or cheese, we are going to apply it. Okay, I have not got butter and cheese now. Okay, if you have got butter and cheese, we are going to apply butter and cheese on the bread. Second step. Okay, so now we are going to do only the plain sandwich because I don't want to make it messy. Okay, so we are going to make just the plain sandwich. 2 slices of bread. Apply butter or ghee or cheese, whatever you have. Next, what we are going to do? We are going to place slices of tomato and slices of cucumber on it. So, third step. Are you following me, everyone? So after we took, let me tilt the camera down. Third step is place the slices of vegetables what we have got. Fourth step is we are going to add pepper or salt, whatever we have at home. So I am adding pepper here. Fourth step, we have added pepper or salt. So first step, taking the bread, applying butter is the second step. Third, keeping the vegetables, slice of vegetables. Fourth step, adding the pepper or salt, whatever you have. I have kept 2 slices of cucumber and one more slice of tomato. Okay, next step, what we are going to do? We have added pepper and salt. Now we are going to close the sandwich. If you want, you can add ketchup. If not, we are going to close the sandwich. We are going to close the sandwich. Then the next step is we are going to cut into, first it was in square or rectangle shape as per your, then we are going to cut it as triangle shape. And we are going to serve it with a ketchup or any chutney or any sauce. Let me come and look at each one of you. Yes, Siddharth, I can see. You can take a photo also of your own sandwich, and if you want, you can share it with us. Okay? Yes, Vihan. Get help from your parents, cut it into half. Yes, Sile, Devkush, I can see. Okay. Yes, you're closing it. Okay. Did you add pepper and salt, Devkush? No. Okay. Yes, Tanvin. Wow, it's nice. Rajesh, you did? I'll come to each one of you and see. Okay, let me come one by one. Wait. Kaviyarini. Wow, you got onions, cucumber, tomato. Wow, okay. Yes, Iron. Okay. Danvin. I saw Danvin. Yes. Naitik, this is for you, Naitik. The sandwich is for Naitik, okay? Neha. Wow, you have cut into rectangle. Nice, Neha. Okay. I'll come to each one of you and see. Don't worry. Okay, good, Neha. Dhruv, wow, you got a chef hat. That's so nice. Very good, Dhruv. Okay, you got a knife too? Okay, nice. What is that you've made, Dhruv?
Sandwich.
Sandwich, okay. Karthikeyan, this is for you, Karthikeyan. Don't worry. You, Naitik, and Pranita are sharing this sandwich, okay? Yes, Rohita. You're welcome. Rohita. Wow, Rohita. It's fully loaded with vegetables. Nice, Rohita.
She did, ma'am.
No problem, no problem. Later. You cannot stop them from eating, yes. Vihan, I saw yours, Vihan.
It's nice.
Hashini. Nice, Hashini. Good. Aiden. Aiden. Okay, it is coming. Let's go to Pranita. Pranita, this sandwich is for you. Don't worry. You have cucumber, right? Will you share the cucumber to me? I'll share the sandwich to you. Okay? Okay. Siddharth, I saw. Farnas. Wow, neatly. Wow, the sandwich. Okay. What is the first step, Farnas, in sandwich?
First.
What did we do in the first step?
Bread.
Okay, you took the bread. Then what did you do? What did you do?
Tomato.
We placed a slice of tomato. Then what did you do?
Ketchup.
Ketchup.
You added ketchup. Okay. Then you added pepper, salt.
No.
Okay. You close the bread. Then you close the bread.
Yes.
Okay. Satvika. Satvika, you have left the bread all alone. Where are you, Satvika? Rajesh? Wow, with a smiley. Nice, Rajesh. Very nice. Vishant, good. Vishant is making on his own. Wow, Vishant. Wow, whom are you going to give that? You're going to give it to whom? Yaar kodukka pora, Vishant? Thank you, Vishant. Okay. Aiden, you have to wait for your chance, Aiden. When I called you, weren't there. You have to stay on mute. It's noisy, right? Nice, Aiden. What have you added there? What is that in your sandwich? Wow, cucumber. Okay.
Tomato ketchup.
Tomato ketchup.
I saw you with the bottle. Yeah. Okay.
Tomato
Then-
ketchup.
And cucumber.
And cucumber.
Ma'am.
Yeah, sauce.
Uh-huh.
And
Okay. Very good, Aiden. Zedi?
ketchup.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Show me, Zedi. Have you eaten?
ma'am, some no, ma'am. She didn't make, ma'am.
Okay.
Because the network problem, ma'am. She
Okay.
can't listen.
Okay, now shall we make Zedi one more time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, come on, take 2 slices of bread. First step, for all of you. Please listen one more. You have already done. Let's check if Zedi is doing it right. Okay, we are going to take 2 slices of bread. First step. Second step, if you have butter or cheese or ghee, you're going to apply it on the bread. Second step. Third step, you're going to place vegetables on it. Cucumber or tomato, whatever you have, place it. Slices of it placed on the bread. One bread. Okay, let the other be there. Place the slices of cucumber, tomato on it. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth step, add pepper, salt, ketchup, whatever you want, add it. Add salt, pepper, ketchup, whatever you want, add it. Fourth step. Fifth step, you're going to close the bread. You're going to close it. Fifth step, you're going to close it. The next step, you're going to cut it into triangle shape or like this rectangle one. And the last step, you're going to serve it with a ketchup or chutney like this. Okay, so if you have everybody, I think some of you are eating. If you have finished eating, can you just wash your hands and come back? So that we are just going to write number 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to mark it within the worksheet. I know some of you are eating. I'm very sorry. Please keep it aside. That's what I told you yesterday. You're going to make the sandwich and eat after the class. But I know you'll be tempted to eat your own sandwich. Whatever you've eaten, please keep it aside. Go wash your hands and come back. If you have done, please take out your worksheet. SR D46 ERB worksheet.
Daddy, bread to
My ma'am.
my sandwich, ma'am.
Ready? Okay, nice. Nice, Zedi. Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. You can eat the sandwich. We're just quickly going to finish in a minute the worksheet. Okay? We're going to write number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, first let me start. Aiden, what is the first step in sandwich making, Aiden? What's the first?
చెప్పేందమ్మా శాండ్విచ్ లో
Bread.
Yes, we are going to take slices of bread. That's the first step. Aiden? Can't hear you. Is he there? The first step is number 1, taking the slice of bread. Kavyani, what is the next step? What is the next step?
Next step is cheese.
Yes, if you have butter, cheese, or ghee, you're going to apply it on the bread. Number 2.
Yes. Number
Yes.
2.
Yes. Kartikeyan, what is number 3? Kartikeyan. Place the slices.
Tomato, ma'am.
Okay, say like place the. Kartikeyan, can you repeat after me? Place the
Place the
There's a tomato.
slices of
Slices of
tomato,
tomato,
cucumber,
cucumber,
or onion.
or onion.
Okay, so we are going to place the slices of the vegetables, whatever we have, cucumber, tomato, or onion. And what is the fourth step, Naitik? We are going to add Naitik, are you there? I think Naitik has left. Pranita, what is the next step, Pranita? Add.
Yes, ma'am.
What do we add? Add pepper or salt.
Salt, ma'am.
Salt, pepper, ketchup, whatever you want, you will add. The next step, what is the next step? Dead fish.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the next step? Very good. Close it with the other slice of the bread. Close it with the other slice of the bread. Good. Hashini, what's the next step?
Ekdam, ma'am.
Cut them into pieces so that it will be easier for us to eat. Good. Aiden, what's the last step?
last step and we will have.
We will have.
We will have
Yeah.
We will have.
sandwich.
We will. Yeah, we will serve the sandwich with dip, and then we'll have it. Very good. Give your mark. Yes. Number 1 is taking the slice of bread. Number 2, apply butter, cheese, ghee, whatever you have. Number 3, place the slices of vegetables. Number 4, add salt, pepper, ketchup as per you wish. Number 5, close the other slice of the bread. Number 6, cut the slices of bread. And number 7, serve the bread and it is ready to eat with a dip or a ketchup sauce.
Book 1. Ma'am, book 1, book 2, ma'am.
Book 2.
Okay, ma'am.
It's day 46 ERP sheet. It's SR D46 ERP sheet. SR D46 ERP sheet. I think it's in second book. Find out, Pranita. Everybody done? Marking number 1, 2, 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. How was the sandwich activity?
Good. Very good.
Yes, you're going to eat the sandwich. Okay, you're all going to eat the sandwich. Before we wind up the class, let's do a quick marshmallow clap for all of us for bringing the things required for the activity and making it very nice, interesting. Okay, let's all together do a marshmallow clap. Okay, ready? Let's everybody get ready. Pranita, after doing marshmallow clap, you're going to do the worksheet. Okay, Pranita? Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Marshmallow. Clap for all of us. Very good. Yay. Okay. Now I'm just going to clap the normal one. Okay. Very good, children. Thank you so much. So just a reminder. Prajesh, are you there? Are you preparing for the talk on Friday, Prajesh?